The alignment on the starboard side is holding with eye tolerance. Confirmed. We are ready to increase the laydown speed.
The structural integrity looks good, but check the overlap tolerance right here.
It's within the parameters. We can clear it for transfer.
Curing parameters confirmed.
Acknowledged. Initiating cycle.
Okay, initiating extraction sequence for segment 4.
Clear movement detected. Proceeding to the transfer bay.
Check the localized data here. Are you seeing the same result?
Yes, reading confirmed. Looks good for approval.
Pre-assembled composite ducts are delivered by automated carts, then guide precisely into the fuselage by collaborative robots for the environmental systems installation. Using specialized fixtures, the team installs the intricate network of hydraulic tubes, ensuring every clamp is secured before the 787 fuselage moves into the integration area, where technicians use these assist arms to carefully position the avionics racks.
We have alignment on Sector 4.
Copy that. Ready to initiate sequence.
Check the hydraulic pressure on line 3. Make sure it holds steady.
Reading stable. Confirming green on the checklist.
As we move from nose to tail, the cabin takes shape. Here, insulation is installed before the robotic arms precisely lower the floor panels.
Okay, bring the next module forward. Watch the alignment on the track. Secure that panel on the left.
The laser projection systems ensure millimeter precision before the masking teams finalize the graphics. The quality check is rigorous. Confirmed gross weight at 250,000 pounds. Roger that. Fuel pumps engaged, pressure holding steady, all systems green. Initiating flight control sweep, clear on the left wing. Roger that. Spoilers cycling, movement looks nominal.
Ground cockpit stabilized at idle, clear for throttle push.
Affirmative, push to 70% N1. Monitoring temps. Vibration levels stabilizing. Oil pressure holding steady.
Confirmed. Requesting next power setting now. Calibration complete, everything looks nominal. Roger, ground is clear, releasing tug and standing by for engine start.
Steering check, full left. Confirmed, brake temps green. Flight controls check complete.
Braking performance is nominal across the board.
Confirmed. We are ready for the next phase.
All inspections complete, Captain. Green across the board.
Thank you. We'll take it from here.
ComS checked, ground. FMS programmed, Captain. Tower, Boeing, request taxi clearance.
Positive rate of climb. Gear cycling complete.
Telemetry confirms all systems green.
Flaps extended to 20 degrees, check. Roger that. Engine parameters holding steady.
Autopilot verification complete, trajectory stable. The inspection is complete and everything is satisfactory.
Wonderful. If you'll just sign right here for acceptance.
Absolutely beautiful.
Using advanced handheld scanners, the team captures a complete digital twin of the aircraft, verifying build quality against the original schematics.
So this screen here controls the updated avionics suite. We've integrated the new weather radar protocols, and the fuel consumption metrics are accessed via this submenu.
Thrust set, stable. V1, rotate. Positive rate, gear up.
Clipper 42, runway 28 left, taxi via Alpha, hold short of Lima. Taxi via Alpha, hold short of Lima. Checklist complete, Captain.
All digital records are verified and the airworthiness certificate is signed off. Excellent. The delivery is complete. Here are the finalized documents, Captain. Thank you. We'll take good care of her.
Starting engine 2.
Check. Oil pressure rising. Cleared to taxi.
Dreamliner Heavy, runway 16 right, cleared for takeoff. Wind 290 at 8 knots.
The aircraft's journey from raw carbon fiber to commercial flight is complete.
Look at the quality checkpoints on the forward fuselage.
All green. The fiber placement is exceeding tolerance.
All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Batch approved.
All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Batch approved.
We're holding the micron tolerance on that sequence. Yes, the thermal stability is impressive. We're holding the micron tolerance on that sequence. Yes, the thermal stability is impressive.